traders, hello, happy Monday. So look, I took a position on AVEO. How I played this was up considerably pre-market. I think it got as high as, look at my improper lack of preparation. What did it get to? 420, I want to say. I swear it was 420-ish. Yeah, 420. That's what it opened at. 419. Wow, that's strong. And it closed previously at 380 on Friday. So, I mean, there was some positive news on this. I won't go into the details on that, but there was a catalyst. So that's what I look for. I also look for good price action as well. And, you know, with the technical analysis. So there was a dip buy potential. I got in at 398. And it got up to 405, and then it was floating above 4, and it got a little liquid, and the volume went away. So I really trying to get out at like $4. Tried 402, then it collapsed $4, and then eventually I got out at 393. So look, this isn't a break-even trade. This is a $30 loss. So well, I don't know what you want to call it. I call it, this is going in the loss category of the journal. So, I mean, I had it. So I'll get let's get this chart up actually. Okay. So how I played this is it dipped down to around 390. I thought I went down lower. It didn't. Okay, 390. And then I saw it climbing up. But it was really like a fake out dip. So, and I was talking to a friend of mine in Perth who trades as well, and we were both watching this, and you know, I got out around 393. So, you know, I probably bought, I don't know, like, I'm not a great dip buyer. I prefer a trade like TNDM, which is, you know, upward trend and there's momentum, but this one sort of faded out as well. So he got in around 213 and got out at 210 because it just didn't. He got out before all that happened. So, and it's, you know, hindsight is great. But so my only trade here, guys, was AVEO, and it's hanging around here. Currently trading at 390. I mean, look, sometimes what I've found is, I'm obviously extremely new to this, is that yeah, like it's just slow to react perhaps, and then it got over very excited, and there was a lot of activity pre-market, and now it's sort of collapsed a little bit. So, but I watched the collapse, and I watched it establish the bounce. I identified that I might have got in a little too late, maybe, you know, 390, maybe a 393. So 393 to 403 could have made 10 cents a share, and I'm risking, you know, very limited amount. But I just wanted to climb a little bit more just to establish that it was an actual bounce, and it didn't have a lot of, you know, it didn't have a lot of puff. So I closed out early, guys, and that's that. I'll just show you. So it was a $30 loss. How I played as well with my rules, I won't be taking another trade either. Okay, but that's about it, guys. I want to keep it short and sweet, and it's been 2 months. On Friday it was 2 months. I did my weekly analysis. Yes, learning a lot. I've got my Excel spreadsheet as well. I put that up in the previous video. So other than that, you know, there's nothing much going on. So markets are a little flat. As you can see, TNDM. I mean, to the longs that scalped, you know, congrats. But I watched a recent video on from Tim's archives, and it was interesting. He was discussing the pitfalls of scalping, because it really puts you in a false sense of security. You're making 10 cents here, 10 cents there, and I mean, that's still around 10% though, so it's significant on a lower price stock, but AVEO not so much. But yeah, that's it, guys. I hope everyone has a great Monday and happy trading. Bye. Thanks for watching.